So now let's see how we can work with apps and integration inside of Canva. To do that, let me click on the More option right over here, and here you can see different apps and integrations which you can choose from. So let's start with emoji right over here. So if I were to click on this, you can see that a new tab appears where I can choose different emojis from. So I can simply click and drag it onto the main area and bring it in like graphics. And you can see that this emoji has color option as well. So I can go to the color and change the color as in other graphics, just like that. I can also go to more right here. The other option we have is something like Google Maps, as you can see. So I can click on Google Maps and you can go over here, type in something like Sydney, so that Sydney city appears right over here. Let me just delete this out right here and drag this in over here onto the main canvas. So here it says double click to interact as well. So if I were to double click, I can move around and click outside to fix that in place as well. And I can also resize this, as you can see over here. So I can integrate Google Maps over here as well. I can click on more and let's say I want to generate a QR code. So here it says enter URL. So I'm going to type in www.udemy.com and then generate a code right here. And it'll generate a code right here that is the QR code for udemy.com, as you can see right here. Similarly, there are other apps and integrations that you can use, as you can see. So you can bring in Jiffy, you can bring in Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox as per your liking. And you can also see more over here, as you can see. So different apps and integrations have different options right over here. And if you want to remove apps and integration, you can just go over here onto the left side, and here you'll be able to see a cross mark on the top. Simply click on that and the app and integration will be removed from your menu right over here. So there are different options that you can try right over here, just like this. And that is how you can work with apps and integrations in Canva.